Life is full of mysteries. Today we will talk about mysterious life and we will see all phases of life. Sometimes life will seem to us like green trees and it will give us delicious food. But at the same time it gives us bitter fluid. Many times it gives us prizes which make us cheer and on other time it shocks us with its surprises. Life shows us lovely images, but sometimes it shows us fake mirages. Life gives us happiness, but sometimes it gives us sorrow. Both these forms comes in our life one after the other in a row. In a phase of our life, when some close ones say goodbye, everything seems to be lie, and we think that our life has stopped. Then at the same time, we don't know what to do. When we wake up in the morning, we never know how our day is going to be. We don't know anything about today and tomorrow. But when we sleep at night, we remind our day. We can't go back or bring our time back. But every time, past life leaves a shadow on us. So, what we can do is that we can spend every moment by taking its full advantage. So that this will help us to head towards our beautiful destiny. In our life, everything is uncertain. No matter how long we live our life, it all matters that how we have spent our life. Before it gets too late, we should open our mind and do something great to yourself, especially to others, so that someday somebody will remind you even after your death. We can make life more and more beautiful. Everything is in our hand. We will get into hell or heaven, it's only up to us. Life is enlightened like a day, and someday it shows us darker form like a night. We can also compare our life phases from season like summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Learn to live every moment and try to accept the reality of life because we can't escape from it. We should spread beauty as much as we can. We should always keep in mind that happiness matters much more than luxury. So love your dear ones and respect your elders. Life is all about journey of one time. We never know that what will be next. So do everything right now. Make your life meaningful and beautiful. Our life begins with first breath and ends with last breath. Here we find many relatives and friends, but truth is that everyone leaves one day. We should learn that no one is permanent. Life is drama of uncertainties. Make every moment precious by giving love and receiving love. Life is full of sorrow and joy, laugh and weep. So as long as we survive, always try to receive because it's our journey of life which we have to make memorable. Face everything just by keeping in mind that life is full of mysteries. Thank you.